Alright, so in this lesson we're going to learn how to make the Nike logo. So with Inkscape open, let's make sure we're in the default view. So view, default. Find this button, zoom to fit. Click on that. Let's go to File. We're going to change some of the document properties. We want to click on US letter and landscape. Make our display units in inches for both of these. Click on this button again. And find the Bezier tool. Click, 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 and close. Click on the selecting tool. It'll let you move it around. If you press delete on the keyboard, it will delete it. One more time. Click on the Bezier tool. Draw a straight line across. And click. Bring your mouse towards this guy right here. And bring it down some. Click. And click. Click on the selector tool. Click on this button right here that is for edit colors. It's going to pop up something that looks like this. You have fill, stroke, paint, and stroke style. For fill, we're going to click the X. Stroke paint, we're going to click on fill color. Stroke style, let's change this to pixels. Make this 2. Enter. In stroke paint, if you click on the wheel button, you have a wheel here. And within the triangle, if you click and drag, you can change colors. Click and drag around the wheel, you can change colors. On this button right here, so right underneath the selector, you click on that, that's your node editor. And with that selected, you can drag nodes around. For the Nike logo, this line needs to be horizontal. This node right here needs to be down about 1 inch. And between here and here, the node should be, if you look at the ruler up top, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 inches. If you move the node editor on this line, you see a little hand pop up? If you click and hold down and drag it out to the left, you can create a curve. You can see these little extender things come out. If I click and drag on those, I can edit it further. Click on that again to get it to come back. Pull it out. We're going to double click right here. Bring this down and do the same here. Alright, so I'm happy with the way that looks. I'll click on the arrow tool here, and if I move my mouse on top of a line, I can move it around. If I go back to this menu right here for fill, click on this box, I can fill it in as a color. The color I want. I go stroke paint, turn off the stroke, a little X. If I wanted to duplicate this, I can go to Edit Duplicate or press Ctrl D on the keyboard. And that's it. That's how you make a Nike logo using Inkscape. I'm going to go ahead and type your name. Go to File, Save As. Save it as a PDF. Your name, Nike logo. Save. And turn that in.